Mama Jones' house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, I am welcome you guys to my house to see my Christmas shenanigans. As when we say, guys, in my house, I have about 20 to 21 wreaths on my door. Plus, guys, I have 12 Christmas tree. Big, small, and the indifference. You understand? So guys, welcome to my crazy house, my crazy Christmas decoration. It's very crazy, but that is me. So guys, come along with me for the tour. So guys, oh my God, as you can see, I am a Jamaican, but when I said I am a crazy Jamaican, I am a crazy Jamaican and I do all kind of crazy shit. Guys, look at this wreath. This is my beautiful wreath. This is what it said. Welcome in this magic of Christmas. Mean, I just peer Christmas magic in here. I don't have no small kids, but you see me, you love my Christmas, guys. As you can see, I have my elf there, so because I still do my elf on my shelf. And look at my houses. I have these houses from my kids are small and I'm collecting, and I have all different kind of house. This one I have, this one. This is Main Street Cinema. I paid about $5 back in them time there when it's on sale. You understand? When I go back here and I have this one here is the church. I love this. It is very nice. 1929. So you know what I'm saying? These are vintage. You understand me? And you go back up there, so you see me have the elf around there, so and he move. You see the elf? We have him there, so and the next thing you know, the two of them him jump there because them is brothers and sisters. So they move along as them go crazy. And as they go along here, I love this. I love this. So when you come inside of my house, there we have another wreath up there. And I have one over there, so because it's twin. So when you come into the house, you see the beauty of it. So this is my way of celebrating my Christmas because it's my favorite holiday, guys. And when we say I love me Christmas, I love me Christmas. You know, when we say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, you don't have what it more to say. The way it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Now me I go back and look up top there. I want to see. You see all that? You see this? This supposed to be a pet something. For a pet. But me, the way all me love it, love Christmas, me bought it and me have it as a decoration to put put on the wall. You guys see the Grinch? Look at the boy up there, so. You see him sweet? Him just up there, son. And trouble him make him. Him just think what kind of trouble him can give to people. So you see him sitting up there, so having fun. Oh, and the way you look down here, so sweet people. These are my norm. Them can get big and them can get small. So I like to have them big and we can put them down like that. You see? Look, let me just bring him back up. Here we go. And here over here, you have the father over here. This is the grandfather. That's Mr. Grandfather. And when you come back over here now, oh guys, now we'll start. You can count the wreaths. There's another one there. And look at that, too. Beautiful. Beautiful. And my nice, sweet flowers arrangement. I make this myself. Every year I pull it apart and I do it over. But you know what I did? I didn't do this one over this year. I tied it up in a Ziploc bag, and then when I pull it out, I didn't need to fix it. It was still good and fine. So I just put it up here. So guys, as you can see, each door I do a border over it. Plus I put, oh my God, I didn't even think about those little wreaths that I put over them. So I have the border there and I put those little wreaths over it. I like to put the border over the door because it just makes it more beautiful, more nicer. You know, when you come to the door, you have a nice look to look on. You understand? So I love to do that. And then now, oh my gosh, look at my black Santa. Whew. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at him. This is a black house. I don't have nothing to do. No, I'm not fighting against a white Santa, but for me, I like to have a black Santa, and I wish they had more. I just come all the way from South Carolina, so I wish they had more, you know. So come into my little den now. Oh my gosh. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Oh, oh. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Hey, 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 hey. Voila! Look at this. This is my big Christmas tree with my black angel on top. Don't forget my black angel on top, guys. And this, I have my train. You see, kind of lopsided, but the reason being because the train, I have a train track around it, and the train now, it moves on the track. So when it moves on the track, whichever side it's on, it kind of tilt it. See guys, when it tilt it, whichever side. For some reason, put the battery in it now, make the sound. It make the sound. All aboard with this tree. I have a color scheme where I have blue, green, and gold. So this is what I did for this tree. And I have another one now over there. And I have this on my glass here. So I'm well decorated up. I love nutcracker. No matter where them is, I love to go find them and bought them. So I collect these too. Just like how I collect the house, I collect the nutcracker. Zoom over there. Oh my God, look at this. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Oh my God, see I have my two big nutcracker there. You know, I have my big Christmas tree them over there, cone Christmas tree over there. You see where the boy there? You see where him find himself though? You see him though? And these are my kids. All these stockings were my kids' stockings when they were young. This, I love this. I got this from my friend, Miss P. She gave me this for a present because she know the way how I love Christmas. She went out and she said, you know what, I bought this. She went and she bought this and she gave this to me as a Christmas present. And I love it. Look for my station now. So look at my station. Oh my God, this, I love this so much. This is like my norm station. I have my little houses there. You know, they have them little houses where them live into. They're bigger than the house, but we have my little house in there. And then I have my beautiful gold and white Christmas tree. Guys, for years, I wanted to put a Christmas tree here in the hallway. And the kids them said, Grandma, Mom, you can't put a Christmas tree here because the people them don't have nowhere to walk. Them have to go sideways. Sideways. But you know what? A sideway them have to go sideways. And I did my railing. I went out and I see this. And I decided, so you know what? I'm going to get some garland and I'm going to do my railing. So I do the railing and come all the way down and there. And over here, I always have the red going up. So this year I decided to put some garland with the red. And then I said, you know what? I think they need some friend. And then I put the green. And then I asked my son, should I make the green stay or make the red stay? He said, Mom, you don't need to make none of them up on the stairs because there's not enough room for us to walk on the stairs. And I said, you know, lucky because we do not live here. It's just me and the father and I want to live here. So you know what? Stairs are going to stay as it is. Come with me, guys. What? Lord have mercy. But do so much work. And guys, it take me 1 week. It take me 1 week to put this up, and it's going to take me 1 day to take it down. And see me have this other tree here. I didn't even count this tree. And I'd say I have 22 Christmas trees. I have 23 because I didn't even count this one. You understand? And this one is like a yellow, a pink, white, and silver. And here again, I have my nice houses. So I have my houses uptown and my houses downtown. You understand? And these are all collectible houses. Again. Okay? And then see me something again, yeah? We like a Norman. We keep him right here. And see guys, see, look at the railing. I did the railing too for the stairs. Yeah. And every door up here have a nice beautiful wreath on it. Now let me take on to my fireplace room. Voila! This is my Christmas table. My mini table with my mini white houses. These are just white houses. And my two little mini Christmas tree with it. Wow, look at the wow, this is so good. No, so like guys, Christmas is so enough up in this house. It's ridiculous. It's unbelievable. It's like me have a Christmas store. And this is my beautiful Christmas tree now, which is red and white with the theme that I use here. I use red and white with I use my flowers to stick in to fill up the extra space, you know. And my fireplace over there. Don't worry about the bottom. And see my other two black elf at the back. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, look at that. And I still have my wreath running over the furniture here, and I have another one running over there. This house is full of hella Christmas. Christmas, me say guys. Jamaican woman and a Christmas, she say. Ah, come in the kitchen now. See me have another setup here, sir. You understand me? As I say, Mama Joan house, hot like a Scotch bonnet, pepper. So me have another, see me have another black Santa there. This one I steal from my boy. This one I steal from my boy. I'm sorry about him steal my stuff, so I steal film stuff too. As soon as I see it, I take it up and I didn't bring it back. That's why sometimes you don't know people come at your house, you know, because if you don't know your shit, they take it and them not miss it. But anybody take nothing out of my place, me miss it and me find it. Okay? I mean, I don't have nothing much. Just here, never a little Christmas tree there, you know. And that's about it in here. I have this one up here with my health. So them I move around. These boys really move around, you know. So guys, come into my dining room. Nothing fancy. I have something over. I put some garland up on the top there, up on the rooftop there, and something there to make it look good. And then this one, I made this myself. I use the pool noodles. Yeah, I use the pool noodles, and I make this decoration centerpiece for myself for the Christmas. Very easy to make. So next Christmas when I'm putting it back together, because I'm gonna pull it apart, when I'm putting it back together, I'll do a video with it and make you guys see how I did it. And it's very, very easy. Don't take much time. And then I have another little small Christmas tree over here. I didn't count that. And the whole heap of Christmas tree, I think I have about 50 Christmas tree in this house. Basically, big and small, and the indifference. So anyway guys, that's it for my Christmas journey. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit my post notification bell things at mine, so you don't miss a post when Mama Joan posts. And when me I cook the food, you know, go see everything when me I cook and put out for the Christmas. So guys, see you in the next one.